getting a new goat today. So we have rehomed some goats, but we are also bringing on a new one, trying to keep the gene pool diverse. This guy just showed up. He is a different kind. He's huge, and I smell him already. Wow, fragrant. Buenos dias, bienvenido. So let's see how introducing you to others goes. Ooh. What's up, Milli? Who is that? Who is that? He's coming to meet you. Be nice. What's up, buddy? He's like trying to use me as a shield. We're going in circles. Come on. We're all going to do chores, Muku. Muku, you have to go meet the new goat. His name is Stinky. He's even stinkier than you. Muku, that's the new goat. That's him. I know, like, how does she know that that's the new goat? It's probably the smell. Muku's on her period too, but she's super chill. Unlike you. Come on, Muku. Let's go. Come on, go back to the house. Hold on. Wow. Do you think that's more than a gallon? A little bit less than a gallon, but it's still a lot for a goat. Yep, Urban Garden is struggling just like the rest of us. Do you still think that he doesn't smell that bad?
No, I smell it.
It is horrible. Wow. Dude. I mean, look at him.
I know. It's super gnarly.
You can't smell him on YouTube, but I mean, you can pretty much, if you've ever been around a goat before, this is like mega goat steak. You can tell by looking at him.
Do you see what he's doing?
No.
Did you not hear and see him?
I did hear him,
Just
and I was looking.
out.
But I don't know.
And then ran.
Do it again?
Went, and then ran forward. And Alana's was like, wait. What? Oh, this is very... Blanca could not share any less. Blanca's like, bye.
Y'all figure that out on your own.
Alana's is very interested.
What do you girls think? Should we keep him? Flexer's like, let's go.
So it's been almost 24 hours, or it has been 24 hours, and our new goat is pretty gnarly. Right away, him and Vanilli got in a big fight and kind of bashed his head all up because Vanilli has horns and he doesn't, and I noticed that his head was all bloody and stuff, so I had to treat that and separate them. And so now we've got goats in different places and we're trying to figure out what to do. Seems like our best option moving forward will be to just keep him around at least long enough to get his genes into Tara and us create another dairy goat for ourselves, and then keep one of these guys around, impregnate the new dairy goat so that she can start giving milk. And that way we keep the gene pool nice and pure.
So the most concerning thing about this new goat is that he doesn't have horns, and
Although
we were
kind of glad he doesn't have horns.
yeah, but we use the horns as handlebars to guide these creatures,
Sure.
and he seems really unruly, and he doesn't have horns for us to grab onto, so that's gonna make him.
It's better that he doesn't have horns though, because of how unruly he is. He's headbutted me like several times.
True.
So it's better to choke him while restraining him than to have horns to grab him with, because he could fuck you up with those. So disgusting. Hey, give us space. Go. Go. You're not gonna like him.
But we do want you to see him and know about him. Come on, we're almost there. Oof. All right, well, y'all have a great day in there. And we'll come check on you later.
Meanwhile, Lola something Galaxia in the morning.
Ew. What have we done?
It's like a cat.
Oh! Not okay, dude. That hurt. What a monster.
Are you recording that?
Yeah. As he almost broke my femurs.
Okay, someone needs to get Tara.
Never do that again.
I'm not scared of you.
I'm going to get your wife. Mm-mm. We ain't gonna be like that.
I swear to God, dude. We're going this way.
Uh-uh. Alright, good night. We love you. Have sweet dreams.
I very much decided that you're gonna like live in here. Really?
This is your room.
Sir, this is your room, and I'm gonna come throw you food. Yeah, it's been a wild week.
It's been a real messy week, starting with the landslide that we discovered on Saturday.
Might even be able to see it from here. See all that brown? Don't move the camera. Just all that brown right there. That's the big landslide.
Yeah, around the bend. Mm-hmm. And then Monday, we took my car to have it inspected. And in Costa Rica, it is a big pain in the ass because they set up these stations around the country. There's a few, and everybody has to schedule appointments and try to go kind of at the same time. So it's hard to get an appointment at a convenient time. And then we had to drive down a harrowing, windy mountain road to another city. It's over an hour drive. It's like an hour and a half. I failed the inspection twice. Had to have surgery on my car to get a new catalytic converter and to go home with no certificate. Then we had to go back. So hopefully the climax of this week is what happened yesterday.
When I went back to try to get it passed, and it was just a freaking nightmare beginning to end. We failed again, dumped more money into a mechanic, dumped money into this other guy who just like passes your vehicle for you somehow, which explains why there's all kinds of beaters on the road in Costa Rica. Even though there's such strict inspections, there's people that will just help you finagle some things in your car like MacGyver and pass the inspection. And so we gave him some money, and third time's the charm, we passed the inspection. Each time you do the reinspection, you have to pay.
You have to make a new appointment.
You have to make new appointments. If you don't have an appointment, which there are no appointments, you have to wait outside. And just this completely unorganized way of, yeah, just wait out there and we'll call you when there's no appointments. You could be there 30 minutes. Or I talked to one guy yesterday, I'd even tell you this. He had waited 7 hours. So it's just literally like, there's no rules. There's no, like, you can't predict any of it. It's just whatever. So, luckily, we didn't have to wait that long, but I was gone like almost 10 hours yesterday, just living a complete nightmare. And then we finally got the sticker, and I was like, yes, the sticker. And we meaning me and this mechanic friend in our neighborhood that came with me to help me figure this all out. We start to go up the mountain, and our car just like stops working. Transmission goes. So there we are, 45 minutes till last light. It's about to be dark. We're in Jaguar territory on the side of a mountain and waiting for a tow truck for an hour. And then huge hurricane starts coming down the mountain. We luckily didn't get dumped on while we were waiting for an hour on the side of the road. It was just like a light sprinkle, which the whole time we were like, we're about to get dumped on. We drive up the mountain, literally 5 minutes, and the hurricane started the whole way up the mountain. So there were plenty of blessings amidst the chaos, but also it was just crazy. I was in the shop, have no idea what we're gonna do with it. Probably get transmission fixed, obviously, but no one knows what's going on with it really, so gonna be digging into that today.
So we were both so glad that it was him that took it and not me.
Everyone has their strong suits.
I would be completely traumatized by that experience, and you would have had to come save me anyway.
Mm-hmm.
And other than that, Lola's still been driving everybody crazy in her heat cycle. We installed security cameras around the house that half of them, or more than half, are not working.
Not
so
working well.
We're gonna have to take those down and send them back. Yeah, everything is fine.
It's real Costa Rica life, y'all.
So please send help, and we hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you soon for another one.
Everything is fine. Like he's got diarrhea type situation.
Yeah, diarrhea type situation. Yeah.
That's tomorrow.
I'm gonna spend a day up here in the tranquility and safety of this small pen.
Yeah.